Isn't it a beautiful day outside today? It's such a beautiful day. We need to make a banana and peanut butter smoothie. Yes. So what we're going to need is 2 bananas. We're going to need 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of honey. We're going to need a cup of milk and, of course, a couple of tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. Okay, so what we're going to add in first is the bananas. This is a fantastic post-workout drink that you can make because you're going to get the potassium in those bananas. That's going to help your muscles recover and also to cut down on a lot of different cramps that your body may get after or during a workout. Next is going to be the milk. This is great for, again, protein. Protein is really great for when you're trying to recover after a workout, whether it be football, basketball, whatever. Fantastic to have protein. You don't necessarily need to go out and buy fancy protein powder to get the protein that you really need. Next is going to be the peanut butter, again for the protein. Now, what we're going to add in is 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now, little secret, get a secondary spoon to wipe off the big spoon. That's my little secret. But anyways, I got a really loud bird behind me. I hope that you can hear him. I used to have a pet bird. His name was Tweety. Take a guess where I got that name from. Now, once that's finished, let's add 1 more half of peanut butter. Now, if you're like me and you love peanut butter, just go ahead and eat the peanut butter right off the spoon. And then you can't talk for a little while. So if you got little kids, here's a peanut butter spoon. They won't be talking for a while. Or your girlfriend, shut her up. Here's a peanut butter spoon. She won't be able to talk for a bit. My little secret to you. Now, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of honey. Now, we're going to be adding in that 1 teaspoon of honey. And now, in this video, I've actually remembered to put the ice in. Isn't that fantastic? Now, we're going to slide it in. Try not to lose any off the side. And now we're going to mix it up. Now you want to mix it up good because, of course, peanut butter does stick. So we've mixed it up pretty good. Now we're going to be pouring it into the cup. Oh yeah, check that out. Isn't that perfect? I love peanut butter so much. Now, again, this is a great pre or post workout drink. I would prefer that I would have this after a workout, mainly because of the protein that you're going to be getting and the potassium that's going to help your muscles recover. Anyways, I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Let's take a test. Absolutely amazing. I love peanut butter so much. Anyways, I hope that you've enjoyed. If you have, hit that like button, subscribe. I got noisy over there you can probably hear, and I'll see you guys again next time.